It's an awesome day. Thomas wants to surprise Percy. But the card of Thomas is empty. I need to have something. Then Thomas went away, looking for something good for Percy. There Thomas saw some Play-Doh castle. Then Thomas came to loot the castle. But Thomas took too many castles. Hello, Percy. Hello, Thomas. Percy, did you hear that? What are you talking about? The big dinosaur in the museum lost 3 bones. And they're asking everybody to look for them. How about we all look for them? That's a good idea. Let's go look for them. By the way, Percy, your confetti looks really cool. Oh, thank you, Thomas. Then they all started looking for the lost bones. They looked near rail crossing. They looked on the other side of the big house, by the pine trees, near the school crossing. To make sure what kind of bones the skeleton lost, they went near the museum. And this time they saw it for themselves. So one is missing right here, 2 others are right here. Then Thomas noticed something was kind of camouflaging. What is that? Oops, looks like it's a bone. Then Thomas carried the bone. He was coming all the way happily and delivered the bone. Percy is also looking for a bone. He's looking at the station. Then he saw something was camouflaging in the stones. Oh, that's the bone. He took the bone. And he came back with the bone. He could locate which bone he needed and put it back in the right place. When Thomas was looking for another bone, he saw something fell down from the sky. What was that? Oh, this is the lost bone I'm looking for. How did it come here? Oh, probably a big bird dropped it while it was taking it to its nest. Oh, that's good for me. I got the 3rd bone. Then Thomas carried the bone happily. He located the place and put the bone. Woohoo! Now you can see the complete skeleton of the dinosaur. Both Thomas and Percy are happy to be able to find the lost bones. Thank you, viewers. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. Click one of the pictures to see other video. Thank you.